I'm up here in Walmart, y'all. It's so bad. They don't have any milk. This is a line for people waiting on the milk. Let me show you the water aisle. We out here in Houston, Texas. Look at those aisles. Nothing's on there. Nothing. It's terrible. I've never seen nothing like this in my life. Look. There's no water.
Nobody need water? Yeah. We have only 3.
No
Okay,
water.
1.
No water. No water. No water. Okay, I'm gonna get some Gatorade because it's alright. Get some Gatorade. It's okay for anybody in the house get sick. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. It's okay. There's a lot going on. Y'all, this is some serious stuff we're going through out here in Houston, Texas, baby. This is really serious. And let me show y'all more empty shelves. Look right here. Nothing. That's the breakfast meats. It says meats, none. No, nothing. Nothing. Look at this shit. Lunch meat, hot dogs, cheese. Look. Everything's empty. I'm gonna get some peanuts. The stuff they should be taking, they're not taking. Like they need to be taking like non-perishables. I'm gonna get me some non-perishables. $6.98. I can't talk for what everybody else is doing. What's one thing, by the grace of God, I didn't have to worry about food. I have a lot of non-perishables. This is craziness to me. Craziness. There's a boil water alert where you have to boil the water. So there's no water. None. I'm kind of scared to get any meat. I wanted some chicken so I can make some chicken soup. But this, look. Chicken thigh. And they don't have like chicken wings, they have chicken thighs and that's it. Chicken thighs and chicken breasts. Okay. $10 for a pack of chicken breasts. And this is I'll take this. We're gonna give me some produce. Look, nothing. There's nothing. Look at this. Nothing. And this is early in the morning. Nothing. Meal solutions. Look at this. Nothing. This is why we prep. We don't wait for something to happen, then try to come out and get things, because you're not going to find anything. This was like the apocalypse out here in Houston. I'm not lying. I've never seen anything like it. And every day of my life is going to be about surviving. Because, look, some food. None. Some food. Look, nothing. Nothing. This shit is crazy. They just had bananas. Now the bananas are gone. That's what I wanted. But I had to go try to find some water. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna cut off now, so I don't have what I need in here.